Welcome to the Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, where education goes beyond classrooms. At IARE, technology empowers learning through an integrated digital ecosystem that supports every student's academic and professional journey. Our digital platform offers several key benefits, including improved conceptual understanding, support for self-paced learning, enhanced retention, flexibility, and overall academic performance. The IARE e-learning ecosystem comprises several components, ranging from the Akanksha learning management system and lecture recordings to digital library services and a dedicated YouTube channel. The Akanksha LMS acts as our centralized content management portal, featuring a video repository, learning analytics, smart search, and anytime access for seamless learning. Students can access a wide array of resources on the portal, including industry readiness materials, recorded lectures, project models, and skill enhancement courses. To support industry readiness, we provide a variety of handbooks covering competitive programming, full-stack development, DevOps, and more, alongside video resources. Our course full-stack resources provide structured support throughout your academic journey, offering everything from lecture notes to question banks and past papers. The Course Outline Description, or COD, is an essential academic document that aligns our courses with outcome-based education principles. Lecture notes are structured materials prepared by our faculty to provide comprehensive explanations, tailored specifically to course syllabi and learning outcomes. PowerPoint presentations serve as visually engaging teaching tools, complementing notes by highlighting key concepts through graphics, flowcharts, and multimedia content. Our definitions and terminology resources provide a quick reference guide, ensuring students build a solid foundation by mastering subject-specific language. Tutorial question banks are designed to further reinforce learning, helping students verify their understanding through practice. Case studies bridge the gap between theory and practice, enabling students to apply their knowledge to solve real-world engineering problems. Real-life examples allow students to see how classroom concepts relate to everyday technologies and modern industrial innovation. Finally, our complex engineering problems are open-ended, multidisciplinary challenges that develop the critical thinking skills required for professional engineering practice. Tech Talk topics are carefully selected discussion themes designed to enhance understanding of emerging technologies, industry trends, and practical engineering applications. Concept videos are a curated collection of fundamental and advanced subject concepts, presented in an engaging, interactive format to promote self-paced learning. Open-ended exercises are learner-centered, inquiry-based activities that encourage students to apply engineering principles to solve complex and realistic problems. Assignments are structured academic activities designed to reinforce classroom learning by encouraging students to apply theoretical concepts and analytical skills independently. Model question papers provide a structured assessment resource, helping students familiarize themselves with examination patterns, question formats, and marking schemes. The GATE Question Bank is a comprehensive resource that helps students bridge the gap between undergraduate coursework and competitive examination requirements. Our previous question papers and solutions archive provides a collection of past exams, helping students identify frequently tested topics and improve readiness. Student learning assessment models showcase diverse project types, such as capstone, vertically integrated projects, and internships, which foster innovation and hands-on skills. Build IT is our dedicated platform for competitive coding, offering students resources to participate in contests, practice problems, and enhance placement readiness. The Integrated Library Management System provides a centralized digital portal for accessing vast academic resources, including various international journals and ebooks. Our mini courses for continuous improvement allow students to upgrade their industry-relevant skills in specialized areas like design, simulation, and automation. Our internship programs offer students essential hands-on experience, connecting them with industry practices and cutting-edge research environments. The HighFlex learning model integrates classroom teaching with digital resources, providing students with a flexible and engaging learning environment. The IARE YouTube channel serves as an open learning hub, hosting expert sessions, laboratory demonstrations, and tutorials available anytime, anywhere. This concludes our overview of IARE's digital learning resources, designed to empower students with 24/7 access to high-quality educational support. Classroom lecture recording videos, or CLRV, provide students with 24/7 access to recorded lectures via the Akanksha learning management system. These resources facilitate self-paced learning, support hybrid environments, and offer a dedicated repository for academic recovery and continuous study. By leveraging these lecture recordings, students gain flexible learning options, improved academic performance, and enhanced conceptual clarity. Furthermore, these resources help strengthen practical skills and ensure students are better prepared for industry standards and future technologies.